So guys, this is another type of service that we offer besides the buffet and tapas service. This gives you an idea of what it's like to have a chef come into your home and actually cook for you, and also gives you an idea about our cooking classes. So we're gonna do a seafood cooking class. So we're gonna start off with one of my favorite. It's basically what I call a Mexican style shrimp cocktail. So it's, instead of horseradish and tomato, it has pico de gallo, chili sauce, which is a neutral tomato sauce, and some salsa, and lots of cilantro. And I like to put scallops in mine, shrimp, and fresh lump crab meat when it's seasonal. And then we got this nice, beautiful large shrimp. One of the many subjects that we can touch on if you do a cooking class, but also, you know, we can do a themed dinner for you where it's a Cajun Creole style, seafood style.